Hello everyone, here I'm going to do an unboxing and a first flight footage of this D16 drone, which is basically a cheap Chinese knockoff of the DJI Neo 1. So let's open it up. This here cost me about, I think it was about £20 on AliExpress. Let's open it up. If you have something red on my hand, it's paint. I've done some painting. Boom. I've got the black version. Here it is. It's a tiny little drone, very light, very cheap. But what do you expect for £20? Yeah, about £20. The motors, I think that might be brushed motors. There's the camera. Look at the difference of the camera. That's tiny. It's like a pinhole camera. Is that picking it up right? Yeah, there it is. And look at the one on the box. It's totally different. Here you have the world's smallest remote. Look at it compared to the side of my hand. Boom. I don't know where your phone's meant to go on this. Your phone's meant to plug in. How does... Oh, here we go. I'm guessing that somehow clips into that there. You get a USB-C charging cable, a really small screwdriver and some spare props. And what looks like maybe a prop remover tool as well, I'm guessing. Here you have your instructions on how to download the app. One thing I'm going to tell you right now, guys, is I would not download this app on your main phone. So do not download it on your main phone. Luckily, I've got my old phone that I'm going to use because some of these Chinese apps are not really trustworthy. Even though they're on the App Store and on the Play Store, I would not personally trust them. So I'm going to install it on a old phone using a totally different email to the one I normally use. So if you are going to fly these cheap knockoff drones, do not use them on a phone you have a lot of personal data on. So there's that. Then we've got the instructions, everything you need to know. I think here you have some auto stuff to do 360 stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop it all together, charge it, and then just fly it, and then record a video as well. And it looks like this takes maybe 3 AA's batteries, probably. We'll find out in a bit. So let's go ahead and fly it. Here it is, and it crashed into my partner's bush she just bought today, but I'm still recording on the actual device, so we'll put the footage it's recording right now on. Here we go, let's have a look. Fly over here, let's pretend that we're flying. Look at the fake flowers. Bring it down here, what's it like in the shade? Look at the stones. Bring it up, look at the colours. Yeah, it's not the best. This here will be getting sent right back, so yeah, don't trust anything you buy off AliExpress, especially drones.